Drones have revolutionized the way we capture images and videos. With new advancements in technology, drones are becoming more versatile, accessible, and affordable for a wide range of industries and individuals. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist photographer, or a delivery company, drones are transforming the way we capture, transport, and experience the world around us. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 5 best drones in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the DJI Mavic 3. This drone comes equipped with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, providing a dynamic range of 12.8 stops, which ensures that your work has a professional touch to it. This camera is capable of recording 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 4K video at 120 frames per second, ensuring that you capture everything in stunning detail. This drone also boasts a 46-minute flight time, enabling you to take all the shots you need on a single battery. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing that allows you to fly safely and confidently without any mishaps. This drone has a 15-kilometer maximum transmission range, giving you the freedom to explore and capture more. With the O3 Plus transmission system, live feeds are smooth and stable, and you can get an uninterrupted view of your surroundings. The Explore mode is a new feature that helps you discover more while flying. With this mode, this drone can automatically fly to a selected point on the map, giving you a bird's eye view of the area. The feature is perfect for those who love to explore and document new places. Another feature that stands out is the advanced RTH system, which ensures that the drone returns home safely and quickly. This feature is handy when the battery runs low or when you want to bring the drone back to its starting point. With the advanced RTH system, this drone will find the fastest, safest, and most optimized route back home. In conclusion, this drone is an excellent investment for those who are into photography and videography. With its advanced features, it ensures that you get high-quality footage every time. Its Explore mode and advanced RTH system are a boon for those who like to venture into uncharted territories. Overall, this drone is an excellent device for exploring and capturing the world around us. At number 2 on the list is the Roku F11 Pro drone. This drone is a perfect tribute to the classics with a foldable, compact design that is both large and sturdy. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and fly. This drone comes equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera that provides excellent picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors. The camera has a 120-degree field of view lens and a 90-degree adjustable camera that gives a broad view of your memorable moment. This drone has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes and comes with 2 intelligent batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of flight time in total. The brushless motors are strong, making the drone more stable and resistant to level 6 winds. The aluminum alloy casing is more durable than other of iron motors, making it durable for long-term use. This drone is a great gift for beginners, especially those who want to get into the hobby and learn how to fly drones. It is easy to fly for all levels with beginner settings to get you started. Intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots make it easy to explore the fun of aerial filming. This drone has up to 4,000 feet transmitter control range, giving you more freedom to fly and explore. It also has a real-shot video display, allowing you to see the live feed from the camera while flying. This drone will also auto-return to the takeoff location when it loses signal or runs low on power, making it a safe and reliable choice. In conclusion, this drone is an excellent device for anyone looking to explore and capture the world around them. Its features make it easy to fly, and the camera ensures that you get high-quality footage every time. With its long flight time and advanced features, it is an excellent investment for those interested in aerial photography and videography. At number 3 on our list is the Holystone GPS drone. This drone is equipped with a 4K Ultra Clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, providing a high-resolution picture and the ability to capture the perfect shot. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures that videos are delivered smoothly and stably, even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. This drone is equipped with GPS-assisted flight, which enables it to perform an automatic return home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or runs low on power. This feature ensures that you never have to worry about flying the drone away and losing it. This drone comes with 2 batteries that provide up to 46 minutes of flight time. Its features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key take-off and landing, and speed adjust make it so easy for beginners or newbies to fly. It ensures that you have a better flight experience and you can take advantage of its intelligent features without worrying about any technicalities. This drone is designed to be portable with a foldable fuselage design that allows for easy storage and more portability for outdoor travel. It weighs under 250 grams, which saves you from FAA registration. This drone comes with a carrying case, which makes it easy to transport and ensures that your drone stays safe and secure during transportation. One of the drone's intelligent functions is its ability to trace and follow you automatically. It can fly along a path you set or fly around a point in circles, giving you the freedom to explore and capture your surroundings without worrying about controlling the drone. In conclusion, this drone is an excellent investment for those interested in aerial photography and videography. Its advanced features, including GPS-assisted flight and intelligent functions, make it easy to fly and ensure that you get high-quality footage every time. Its design is considerate, making it easy to transport and ensuring that it stays safe and secure during transportation. At number 4 is the DJI Mini 2 SE. This drone weighs in at under 249 grams and is incredibly compact, making it perfect for taking with you on all sorts of adventures. Its easy and intuitive one-tap takeoff function means that you can get it up and running in no time, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above with ease. Despite its small size, this drone packs a punch when it comes to video quality. It offers 2.7K video, providing you with crisp and clear footage that will look fantastic when played back on your TV or computer. Plus, with a robust 10 kilometers video transmission range, you can fly farther and explore more with a reliable connection, so you never have to worry about losing your drone mid-flight. This drone also features intelligent modes such as quick shots that let you create professional-looking aerial footage with just a few taps on your smartphone or tablet. Additionally, it boasts a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes, which is more than enough time to capture all the action. Perhaps the most impressive feature of this drone is its level 5 wind resistance, which means that it can fly with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. This is a massive plus for anyone who wants to fly their drone in more challenging conditions, such as on a windy beach or mountain top. Finally, this drone also comes equipped with a return-to-home function, which is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants an added layer of safety while flying. Overall, this lightweight and portable drone offers an incredible range of features that are perfect for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage from above. At number 5 on the list is the ATTOP drone. Equipped with a 1080p 120 degrees FPV camera and ATTOP Club app control, this Sky Quad drone allows you to enjoy HD pictures and videos from the perspective of the drone. You can even connect your phone or iPad to experience a real-time panoramic view of the landscape from up to 292 feet away and share them on social media with ease. What makes this camera drone even more fun to fly are the multiple functions waiting for your exploration. You can draw a route on the app and let the drone fly along, speak to control the flying direction, or even show a V gesture to let the drone recognize and take pictures automatically. This drone also comes with a built-in G sensor that is compatible with VR glasses, providing a breathtaking 3D experience. The foldable design and handy carrying case make this camera drone easy to take on any adventure, whether you're heading to the park or traveling abroad. It's also a perfect gift idea for friends and family who love to explore and capture the world from above. Flying this camera drone is easy and intuitive due to its one-button takeoff and landing feature. Unlike other racing drones, this quadcopter comes with one-key return, which ensures that it can find its way back home easily without getting lost. The altitude hold feature ensures a steady hover, making it easy to capture high-quality pictures and videos. This drone also has 3 different speeds, making it suitable for beginners and advanced players alike. Lastly, this camera drone comes with 2 3.7 volts, 1100 mAh rechargeable batteries that last for up to 20 minutes, ensuring you have ample time to capture the perfect shot. It's a safe and reliable choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography to new heights. So that's all about the 5 best drones in 2023. If you think we have left valuable drones, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.